Hi everyone, it's Craig with LazerModels. Today we've got a brand new model. We're going to do the mini tank. It runs in line with our other mini puzzles, and so let's just go ahead and get started with this. First off, our instruction sheet, it's going to have the regular mini type instructions to make it a little puzzle, make it a little bit of a challenge and stuff. But what we've done is we also did a helpful hints inside for this one because it can get a little difficult, showing you how it all goes together. So anyways, first thing you're going to do is you're going to take all your parts out and group them up in same type pieces as we do with all the other models. Normally I've got this done ahead of time, but I thought today, because it's a little one, we'll just do it together. So give me a couple seconds here and we'll have it all ready. And then I will also tell you how many of what we've got, because we have 3 different types of pieces that go into this model for the body of it. So there's the 3 different styles there, and there's the 2 outer sets of treads and stuff. We have the 2 clips, the centerpiece, and then the rest of this is all part of the turret assembly. That's nothing. So what we want to do is we want to start with the turret first. So we're going to take this piece here, the piece with the little notch, and set them together. This piece is going to slide right into the middle. We're then going to take the piece here, slide that on past those tabs for it doesn't get hung up, and then the little gun will sit between those. So what we've done is basically the little gun sets in that little notch. So then we take one circle, put it in place, this piece on here also, and this last little circle. So that's going to be how it all goes together. Okay? So we'll set that over to the side. Now on these, you've got 2 outer pieces, 2 inner pieces. You've got 6 pieces that have 1 bump on them, and the bumps go towards the back. So we've got those there. You now have 2 with the 1 bump on the back but a slot in the top. That one goes there. This one goes here. You now have 4 pieces that have a bump on the back, a bump on the front. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The little bump goes towards the front, the big bumps go to the back. So if we have this right, we should have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, should be one more. Oh, there it is. 3. So, 1 outer, 1 inner, 1, 2, 3 of this style, 1 of this style, 4 of that style. Now to put the tank together, we go ahead and we separate these 4. We put 3 over to this side, 1 over to this side. So you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces over here. You're now going to take the tank, and with the tank facing sideways, this piece here has to go on with the tank this way, so this slot. And what's going to end up happening is, as we build this, we don't even need this yet, we'll take that off. As we build this, we're going to start with this outside piece and then this piece. We're just going to hold it here. If you just set it in the middle, that'll keep the disc from falling down. So those are the 3 solid ones. 1 with an opening, This is the first one with the little tab on the front. Now at this point in time, this piece here will go into this slot, just like that. So it doesn't go all the way through. We take the next one of these, this is probably the hardest little step because that center disc will fluctuate a little bit. There's 1, 2, 3. So that's 4 of the middle ones. Now we got the last one with the slot. Put those together. Two, 3 of these. 1 of that. 1 of that one there. And then this will rotate forward. And those go right there. Then that's your little tank. There you go. Thank you for watching this video, and if you got any questions, you can always reach us on our feedback. You can always go ahead and go to our website, leave us a review if you'd like. We're always looking for any suggestions, any guidance, any help. We love to put these models together for you, and the better we get at it, the more enjoyable the models will be for you guys. Anyway, have a great time. Talk to you another day.